So, it's about X and Yasir, right? Especially, and of course, I come from India and we have that Indian accent over there. And especially when you're speaking in North American market, sometimes people are not comfortable with your accent. So, how does it really matter and how you can improve that?
Great question. I'm going to tell you something you might be surprised to hear. In my experience, about 95% of people who think their accent is the problem, the real problem is how they feel about their own accent. Mm. So the problem isn't the accent itself, is how they feel about the accent. And I see this particularly with people from India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, where they think because they have an accent, somehow they're inferior. They will have perfect English. I can understand exactly what they're saying. But just because they speak with an accent, they think, oh, I'm not confident enough. I guarantee you, the way you speak, just the way you articulated your question, I understood you perfectly. Can you change people's behavior while having an accent? If the answer is yes, then it's not that big of an issue. But I find most people, they're insecure about their own accent and they project it on other people. They think other people don't think they're confident because they have an accent. Because most of us are not speaking coaches, right? We don't know what else it could be. So, I wonder why I'm not confident. Must be the accent. So 9 times out of 10, I will tell you the accent is not the problem. It's how most people feel about their accents. I've seen it way too many times. If you're in a leadership role and you struggle to speak up in meetings and presentations and be perceived as a leader, this is for you. Now, there's only so much you can learn watching a video, but if you are serious about transforming the way you speak, you should consider my online speaking classes. My team and I have coached more than 30,000 people at companies like JP Morgan, NASA, Google, Apple, you name it, and we help them speak with the confidence, clarity, and credibility of a CEO. Now, whether you struggle with rambling when you're speaking on the spot, or you freeze in front of a room, or you feel like you sound boring and people stop listening to you, these classes can transform the way you speak. Because knowing is not the same as doing. So if you are at all interested in changing the way you speak in a matter of days, click the link down below and check out my online classes.